welcome to my channel. My name is Anne if you're new here. For today's video, I want to share with you the makeup look that I'm wearing right now. A little bit different than other holiday look that we usually do. Instead of gold and bronze that we do for the holiday, I use a little bit more berry tone today in my makeup look. But I paired with that red lipstick, but you can change it to whatever color lipstick that you like. With the upcoming holiday season, I know there's a lot of party, a lot of event, a lot of celebration. So I just want to share this look with you. I asked you guys on Facebook what palette you want me to use in this video. I gave you the choice of either Natasha Denona Gold palette, the Pat McGrath Bronze Seductions, the James Charles palette, and the Huda Beauty Nude. And the majority of you guys picked the Huda Beauty Nude and the James Charles palette. So this is what I'm gonna use in this video. I hope you like this makeup look. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so it can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Without losing any more time, let's go ahead and get started into the video. I already prepped my eye with the MAC XOXO pen pot. So now I'm gonna get into the Huda Beauty Nude palette. And the first shade that I'm gonna go into is this shade right here. This is called Play. This shade is close to my skin tone, so I'm just gonna use this to set my primer. I'm just gonna dust this all over. Next, I'm gonna go in with this beautiful pink shade. This is called Tickle. And I'm gonna use my MAC 224. And I'm gonna apply this directly into my socket. And I'm just gonna blend it into my socket. Now I'm gonna go into this James Charles palette right here. Then I'm gonna take this beautiful shade. It's this shade right here, called That, and I'm gonna take it with the flat brush, and I'm just gonna go along the lash line right here and into my socket. A lot of people complaining about this palette not pigmented enough, but you have to remember this is a pressed pigment, so you have to pack it on first in order to get the pigmentation that you want. And I'm just gonna pack this onto my outer corner along my lash line right here, and then I'm gonna go into my socket. Now that we have this beautiful pinks on, I'm gonna go to this black right here. This is called Spooky. And I'm just kind of go along the lash line and into my socket, just the outer corner. And then I'm gonna go back to the brush and just blend out the black. I just want to darken my outer corner just a little bit. Next, I'm gonna do liner. I'm gonna use the Tom Ford Eye Defining. For the lid, I'm gonna start with this shade right here first. This is called Charm, and I'm just gonna press this at my outer corner right here. Then I'm gonna use this shade right here. This is called Fantasy. And where Charms and Fantasy meet, I'm gonna apply this shade right here. This is called Crave, and just in the middle like this. For lash, I want to do something very natural. I don't want it too much that it can cover all the work that we did. I'm gonna use Blue Lash in the style Fluff and Whispie. It looks like so. Lashes are on. I'm gonna let my eyes rest for a little bit, and then I'm gonna start working on my complexions. I'm just gonna take any makeup wipe. I'm using the Neutrogena makeup remover, and I'm just gonna clean up any fallout that I have. To prime my face, I'm gonna use the new Skintune Pro Perfecting Primer Serum. This is a hybrid primer serum that gonna blur the skin, reduce the look of pores and imperfections. This multifunctional primer serum is very lightweight, hydrating, leaving the skin soft and powder-like finish. It contains vitamin C to brighten and even the skin tone. For special events, you want everything to look perfect, so it's always begin with the base. So with this one, it gives you that smooth, soft, but very hydrating. So it's good during the winters where your skin a little bit dry. For foundations, I'm gonna use Huda Cosmetic Essential High Coverage Cream Foundations. This is a lightweight, high coverage, really extremely high coverage foundations. It's also very lightweight and long wearing, so you're not gonna worry about your foundation coming off. And it has an airbrush matte finish, so a little bit of this goes a long way. And I'm just gonna apply this with my beauty blender. Wow, it's really high coverage. This shade range is incredible. It comes in 50 shades, so you for sure gonna find your shades in this foundations. And as you can see, I just dip in one and I pretty much cover most of my face with just one dip. So a little bit of this goes a really long way. And the shades that I'm using right now is Bird. This formula combines chamomile and cucumber extract to have smooth and calm your skin, while the hyaluronic acid helps to support natural hydrations and keep your skin flawless all day. Now that everything blend out, I'm gonna go in with the concealer. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. I already did a review of this on my channel already. I will put the link up there or in the description box that's below. You can check it out. But I'm going in first with the shade 16G's Graham Cracker. This shade is close to my skin tone, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this, a little bit on my forehead and on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and my chin. Then I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty blender as well. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade lighter. This is 12G Sugar Biscuit, and I'm just gonna apply it right here just to cover those back right here, and just a tiny bit. I just want to have that under eyes brighten a little bit, but I don't want to go overboard with it. That's why I only go this one in just a tiny bit down here. Sometimes I can go really crazy with the highlight. Then I'm gonna contour with the Lancome 10 Idol Foundation Stick in the shades 435 Bisque. In the winters, I like to use a lot of cream products. But the cream products gonna give me extra hydration to my skin. Then I'm gonna blend this out with Morphe Stippling Drip Brush. For my nose, I'm gonna use this Real Technique Angle Shader. I love using the brush for the nose. Then I'm gonna go back to my beauty blender and just blend everything out, just to make sure that I don't have any harsh lines on my face. For blush, I'm gonna go in with some cream blush. This is from Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush Palette. I already did a review of this palette on my channel as well. I will put the link up there for you. And I'm gonna take this cream blush right here. I love this shades for the fall. And I'm gonna also use my beauty blender. Just a little bit right here. And just blend this out. Just a tiny bit. I'm also gonna use the cream highlighter in here. And I'm just gonna apply this to the high point of my face. Now that I'm done with all the cream product, I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs Coconut Perfecting Setting Powder. And I'm just gonna use the same beauty blender. I love using this one. It keeps me matte all day and it gives me a very smooth finish. I'm gonna let the powder sit on my face a little bit and I'm gonna add a little bit color to my face. To warm up my face, I'm gonna use the Marc Jacob Omega bronzer. I just love any Marc Jacob bronzer. It's not too light, it's not too gray, it's not too orange. To over my cream plus, I'm gonna use the Jouer Rose Gold Plus Bouquet Duo palette. And I'm gonna use this shade right here. I think it's gonna look good over the cream plus that I apply. I wanna kick off the powder on my face with the Hourglass Unlock palette. And I'm gonna take this shade right here and just give this up. To finish my eyes, I'm gonna run this shade right here with my Morphe E36. And I'm just gonna run this on my lower lash line. With the finer brush, I'm gonna run this one right here. And I'm just gonna apply this to my waterline. I'm gonna run the black shade Spooky. And I'm just gonna run it to my outer corner of my lower lash line. Just to connect it with the upper part. But I'm not gonna drag all the way in, just gonna be outside. To highlight my eyes, I'm gonna go with this shade right here. Also gonna use this to highlight my brow bone. To highlight my face, I'm gonna use the Hourglass Ambient Metallic Stroke Lighting Palette. And I'm gonna use all three of this. I'm gonna throw my brush in here. A little bit the bridge of my nose and on my cupid bow. To line my lip, I'm gonna use this Color Sensational Shopping Lip Liner. I love this one because you don't have to sharpen this one. And the shades I'm using is 150 Brick Red. For lipstick, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Superstay 24 color. It has two sides. One side it has a lip balm. And the other side is liquid lipstick. And the last things I'm gonna do is set my face. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you like this. This is perfect for the holiday because the red lip. You can change the lip to any color lip that you like. I love this because it's a little bit different than other look that we usually do for the holiday. This has a little bit more berry tone to it, but I really like it. It's different, somewhat you say, but I still hope that you like it. If you like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate when you do. Thank you for sticking around. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so it can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Let me know in the comment down below what other look that you want me to do, what other palette that you want me to try on. I hope you have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!